Hello again, guys. Today's trip is going to be in the district of Podune, home of the stadium for Levski football team. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm joined again by my friend Thrill.
Hello, good people of the internet.
And yeah, let's get it going. See what we can find. Oh, we know what we're going to find. We're going to find a lot of blocks and some people and some supermarkets and some shops.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy the communist architecture.
And we'll see the football stadium, which is kind of old. I think it's called Vivacom Arena. So let's see, let's just go for the parking here. This is a Billa supermarket. I think it's a German supermarket, right? Or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's German as well, but can't tell you.
So we have a new blocks here as well, not just the old ones.
Good to see such things as well. By the way, you were gonna check the battery. You have enough battery?
Let me just check. Yeah, I've got 52%. I think that will be enough. I'm using the Enduro batteries, which apparently last longer. But I don't think we need to worry about that much about the battery, more overheating. But here it's not so sunny. We have a little bit of cloud cover, so I think we're gonna be good. And by the way, my granddad's house was in this area a long time ago. I'll show you exactly where it used to be, before all the blocks and everything was built.
Nice. Do you know that the apartment where I live, the neighbors next door, old people,
yeah,
they used to have a house exactly there.
Yeah, well, Sofia was filled with houses, so all the blocks were built afterwards.
They've been telling me about it. Like block, the block I live in, basically had 2 houses there.
Yeah.
And the communists came to them and told them, "You're gonna sell this." And they were like, "No, we're not gonna sell this." We're telling you, we're not asking you.
Yeah, exactly. Or if you don't sell it to them, they'll just take your land anyway.
Exactly.
They'll just say it's government property now, and
They'll
that's it.
sue you for disturbing government plans or whatever.
Yeah.
And you better take their money when you get it.
No, but if you sell it, they give you like an apartment or 2 in the block as well, so it's not that bad.
Yeah, well, they got. I can't curse on the internet, but they got.
You can a little bit, but yeah.
Screwed.
Keep it PG-13.
Alright, I think I did. Did I?
Yeah, I think you're right. Listen, kids nowadays swear more than us, so I don't think it's that much of an issue.
I've been to their house a few times because they're kind of people. I go get some good wine and bring some to them. Sometimes the old woman cooks for me.
Yeah?
A couple of times she made me meals and it was delicious each and every time.
Nice.
Yeah, I cannot go to their house without them complaining about this 40 years later, and they're still pissed about it.
Yeah, I'm sure, because it's much nicer living in a house than in a block.
Not only that, they didn't get much, like other people got much better deals. They were on the wrong side of the coin, let's say.
Yeah.
When it got flipped.
Let's just go under the trees here. Somebody needs to cut down the trees a little bit, the branches.
Yeah. Oh, do you know that there are those tall trees next to my block, like Topoli?
Yeah.
A few of them got cut.
Yeah?
Yeah, they had to cut them in 3 pieces because they were so large.
No, and obviously they're building a parking area behind, so if there's a storm or something, the tree may fall down in the parking.
Yeah, they were really big. Like when it's the beginning of the summer, they release a lot of pollen, like a lot.
Yeah.
I have nets on my windows for mosquitoes and flies and such things like that. Basically, the pollen blocks my view. It gets so much.
That's crazy.
pallets.
Yeah.
Pallets made into.
Yeah, they made a little fence out of
You
the
cannot say
pallets.
it's beautiful, but it's not ugly either.
Yeah.
A little paint and it will look much brighter. But I do like to see people doing such things.
Yeah, some people upkeep their area in front of their entrance for the block, but yeah, not everybody.
You've seen the changes at my place, right? What they did in front.
Yeah,
with the
yeah,
garden.
no, it's much better, and you have a camera as well and everything.
Yeah, and then we were actually talking about building, how to say, I don't know in English.
Building a what? You say it in Bulgarian?
No, just give me a second. I'll get back to it. It's in the tip of my tongue. And look, sun is not scorching, and you can actually see a few pretty girls here and there.
Yeah?
Well, I think it was a lot because we were just getting out the metro, but
Yeah, possibly.
the further we go, the less we see.
So, do you see this fire station in front of us, the red building? This is a fire station. Yep, and this is where my granddad's house was.
Did you used to cover the whole area of that?
Yep. And then my father's best friend, his house was behind as well where the block is. So when they took their land, they built this block behind. And they gave him like 2 apartments in the block. So all this used to be houses back here. But this is a long time ago. This is maybe 1960, 1970, something like that.
So then they got the better deals. When the
Yeah.
communists were no longer the ruling party.
No, they were the socialists, total gypsies.
Wait, did you say 1980 you say?
1960, 1970.
Oh,
So it was very communist back then. The communism ended in 1989 in Bulgaria. So 1 year after I was born. I was born in communism.
I was a free child, 1990.
Yeah, you were born in freedom.
And poverty.
Like all of us, yeah. So we'll see. We want to get the kids in on camera. Everybody's laughing and smiling.
Actually, don't remember much of that because, you know, even though...
Which way should we go? This way, that way? This way.
You pick.
This way.
Take your pick.
So the stadium's over there right in front of us. We just need to cross on the other side and then we're going to walk to the stadium.
Alright.
So yeah guys, this is the stadium of one of the best teams in Bulgaria.
Which one?
Levski Sofia.
Oh, is it?
No, I
No,
told
I mean
you that.
not the team, the stadium.
I think it's called Vivacom Arena because Vivacom sponsored and bought it or something. I'm not exactly sure. And I think there's a park behind here, so I think I can get fly with a drone and see if I can get over the stadium, but I'm not sure if they'll let me.
Funny thing, I have a good friend that actually writes the software for all devices to Vivacom, like
Okay.
how they operate. And it's actually a girl,
Mm-hmm.
software engineer that writes all their software.
Yeah. So let's go to the left. We'll have ice cream. I'm sure you'll find some space for an ice cream, bro.
No?
No?
No, man.
What about some kebabchit and kisteta?
No chance except for liquids.
Only liquids. Okay,
Yeah.
beers. Amazing.
No chance either. Water. Or if,
Water. You have to say water.
I want to say it in Chinese. Water.
Don't be racist.
Wait, no, that's how Jet. No, what is it? Jet Li.
Jet Li or Jackie Chan?
No.
By the way, Jackie Chan's like one of my favorite movie stars ever.
Actually, like both of them.
Yeah, Jet Li as well, amazing.
He's Jet Li is a proper fighter.
Yeah,
He
so
has
is
a-
Jackie Chan.
I know, but you know, Jackie Chan was a person that was always looked to the cinema, while Jet
No,
Li,
but before cinema, he was a like expert fighter.
he was
When he was
and
like 18, 19.
during the cinema also. This is I cannot remember
Look at this
Jackie
block,
Chan
bro.
movie that is not good.
This block looks like a huge wall. It's
Then
like, I think it's like 15 floors. Crazy.
Funny thing is, he makes the same kind of movies and they're always good. Like, how does he do it?
Yeah.
A great choreography team.
And they're funny as well. Like the comedy's on point.
Well, now Hollywood cannot make a sequel of a movie without messing it up.
Yeah, and they're making it too kind of ironic funny, you know? It's not even funny that much. It's not real comedy. If it's not offensive, it's not real comedy. Real comedy should be offensive. So there we go. Viva Com Arena, Georgi Asparuhov. This is the stadium for Levski Sofia. So let's take a closer look. And Levski Sofia was founded in 1914. So like if you see a lot of graffiti in Sofia anywhere which says 1914, it's from obviously guys that support the team. Should we go down?
Can we go back?
Yeah, of course. Let's just have a closer look at the stadium.
And thank you for missing my phone.
Yeah, I saw it. I almost stepped on it. Why are you dropping it?
Two left hands.
Okay. Not two right hands?
Who knows?
Why does everybody... Did you know, like, back in the Middle Ages, if you wrote with your left hand, you were accused to be a witch?
Or homosexual.
Yeah, exactly. That was crazy.
Indeed.
Quite strange.
There's most people who write with left are smarter, actually.
Or what?
Smarter.
Are they?
Yeah.
But I think it's a very small percentage of the people in the world that write with their left hand. I remember my sister when she was young, she was left-handed, and my mother actually taught her to write with the right hand. So she changed her hands. Because even back then, like a lot of kids would make fun of you if you were left-handed, which is quite strange.
Yeah, I actually had a few friends that at one point I just noticed, you're writing with your left hand. How do you do that? Yeah. Like when my arm was, well, still healing, but when it was how do you say? When it was bind. Yeah. I had to eat with my left hand. Even
you mean when you had the cast on your hand?
Yeah, the cast. So I had to eat with my left hand. That was a challenge. Yeah,
I know. I got used to it because I broke my right hand like a few times in 1 year, like 3 times. So like for 3 months out of the year, I had to eat with my left hand, which was very difficult. So there we go. We're getting closer and closer to the stadium. Looks pretty good. They actually covered it up with a little bit of...
This was just the parking.
Yep.
There should be more of it, right?
There is, I think, on the other side, or to the left and right. So guys, this is pretty much it. This is the Georgi Asparuhov Levski Sofia Stadium. Great stadium. And I think it was renovated in July last year, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're ever coming to Sofia, you should definitely visit a football match of Levski.
Just prepare for it to be loud.
Yeah, it's going to be very loud. And we have a monument here as well of Georgi Asparuhov, who used to be a football player for Levski.
I was recently speaking with a friend that watches a lot of football, and he told me that in Western Europe, only the Italians are loud on football when they watch football.
No, also Serbians. Oh, in Western, yeah.
Western.
In Bulgaria, it's crazy, yeah.
Then you go to the Balkans, everybody's crazy.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you have to be careful with football matches here.
Yeah, you literally keep your head down.
You're gonna see a lot of flares, a lot of little bombs going off. Not like actual bombs, but like small bombs that turn blue and black and white. A proper match, real atmosphere. Maybe Western Europe was like that in the 70s when they had a lot of football hooligans and firms. They would actually do choreography on the football matches.
Yeah, no, the English were like that, but they really cracked on them.
Yeah, they put them all in jail, and they got banned forever for going to football matches. So it wasn't that good.
Oh, this smells like an injury.
Yeah, or they're gonna break the thing, the swing.
Oh well, some lessons to learn the hard way.
Yeah. No, they might break their leg, hands. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we have kids here training. I think they do like gymnastics in this hole on the side. So this is another training ground here. And also you have Strobishte Gerena, which is you can actually shoot guns here. Bless you.
Oh, thanks.
And then we're walking back to the huge block in front of us, which looks like a prison. If it only had bars on the windows, then yeah, it definitely looked like a prison. Yeah, let's just jump here on the other side. And I think, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Just gonna show you this little not monument, but yeah.
I think it is proper to call it monument.
Yeah, I think so, yeah, also. So you can see a lot of names of champions who won Olympic medals or gold medals or anything like that. They were part of the training ground for Levski Sofia. Pretty cool. So guys, hope you liked the video. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Cheers guys.
Bye bye.